Are you guys ready for this? Good night. Now check out this Infinity. This Infinity is going to be very, very special because it's getting an ejection seat on the passenger side. Now a real ejection seat goes up, not sideways out the door like Ejecto-Ceto. Nah, we're gonna make ours go up through the roof. But there's only one problem. There's still a roof on there. I think I need to cut it off. Got to thinking about something. This thing has a sunroof. I'm gonna make this a whole lot easier on cutting that hole in the roof. So we're just gonna walk on top of the car here. Ooh, let me get, oh, there we go. There we go. All right. Take a hammer. Well, that was easy. Let me just clean this up a little bit. Hey. Now that we got the Infinity properly customized with absolutely no roof intact, now we need to take the airbags and wire them to the seat so we can send that seat, passenger seat, right through the roof. This is gonna be cool. Okay, here's the setup. I got 3 airbags, 1, 2, 3. Got my power source. Got my extra long cable because I'm not gonna be sitting inside that cab when that seat goes up through the roof. So let's just go ahead and wire all the stuff up. Oh, and I got my trigger right there. I knew this snap-on trigger would actually do some good, but we're gonna go boom, 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 boom. Actually, correction, I actually have 4 airbags because I forgot this one has the side airbag sitting there, but that's pretty much not going to do me any good because I don't want it to go sideways. I want it to go up like that. So we're going to place all 3 of those airbags up in here somewhere, probably with some zip ties, and that'd probably be the easiest way. Okay, now we got all 3 airbags wired up. Now we just got to stick them in the car, place the seat on top of it, and then go boom. Are you guys ready for this? Let's watch this thing go boom.
That was so
Yeah! I believe it worked!
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until...
Now, it's been brought to my attention that the trajectory of where this seat landed, now I have not touched it, haven't moved the car, haven't done any of that. Now, car's right here, it went up and over and went to the other side, must have went through the trees. Wish I would have got a better shot of that, but here it goes. Right through here into the woods. That's about how far it traveled. If you want an ejectocito, get yourself a couple of airbags and put them through the top, not the side. Now, I can't sit here and say that if you ejected somebody out of your car that they would live or not be paralyzed or have a broken butt cheek, but I say that this experiment is a success. Don't do this at home. That's how you do an ejection seat. Through the roof. With 3 airbags. See you next time.
You don't want to record it?
I am. Right here. Where y'all going?